Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. So today's video is going to feature a variety of different ways that you can style the bob and the pixie haircuts. So the first video features someone changing up their hairstyle with some accessories. She has a very pretty bob haircut, comes to around the jawline. So here she is doing like a half up ponytail style, very chic and cute. And then she is doing the slicked back trend. This is very popular when it comes to bob hairstyles right now. Perfect for the holiday season. Then we see someone with silver and neon green hair color. Absolutely gorgeous. So she's going to be styling this hair color. And it looks like she's also doing like a half up, half down kind of style. So she's braiding the hair. And then penning it over. Very cute. So she kind of made like a headband with that particular look. And then we have the styling of this pixie. So she's adding in some clip ends to just kind of add some bangs and more of a feather look. Very cute. Next up, we have another half up, half down style. Perfect for if you have a bob haircut. And then we have this styling of another bob. So she is adding in some beautiful texture to the style with the use of the flat iron. And then adding some curls in the front portion of the hair. If you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyling ideas, please feel free to like today's video. And of course, hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Beautiful, love the texture that was created with this particular look. Great way to wear a bob haircut. Next up, we have the styling of another pixie. So this influencer is back once again, and this time she has gone blonde and she's just kind of adding some curls in the top with a flat iron. Absolutely love this texture that she created. And she is penning the hair back to create more of like a mohawk style. Very cute. Next up, we have the styling of yet another bob. I love her hair color. She has pink money piece highlights, and then in the back, she has a pop of color that is the same color as the highlights in the front. So this is like a really pretty neon pink color. And she's creating that flipped under texture with the flat iron, and that's a very popular hair trend right now. And then she's adding some volume at the crown of the hair. Gorgeous. I love the way she's styling this bob. Alright you guys, I hope you were able to get some good styling ideas within today's video. Be sure to check out this video next if you want to see even more hairstyling ideas and inspiration.